We are here today to make the Manhattan, one of the oldest cocktails in the recipe book. The Manhattan was thought to be either a Winston Churchill invention from the Manhattan Club or a bartender in Manhattan in 1860. Either way, it's a nice old cocktail, and certainly the one after the old fashioned, and this is when they started to introduce vermouth. So what we have, the classic ingredients for the Manhattan is the Heritage Old Country whiskey from MurLarkey. We have sweet vermouth. There's obviously dry vermouth and sweet vermouth, and that's a fortified wine. And then we have bitters, Angostura bitters. We're going to use Peychaud's bitters today because I like the flavor of it for sure. It's a pretty simple cocktail, like many of the old ones were. And how we're going to do this is we're going to measure out the ice into a glass, and then I'm going to put that into a stir. Once it goes into the stir, we're going to add 2 ounces of MurLarkey Old Country whiskey. From there, we're going to add an ounce of sweet vermouth. Any sweet vermouth will do. And then we're going to add 4 dashes of bitters. We stir this drink, the Manhattan, roughly 20 times. Again, you'll hear that number a lot when you're doing stirring. A lot of people ask, when do you stir and when do you shake? Typically, you shake when there's citrus involved or any type of fruit juice, and you stir otherwise. Once that's stirred up, you see that wonderful color right there. We'll add it back into the old-fashioned or rocks glass, if you will. And then this cocktail is garnished with, of course, a maraschino cherry. And that, my friends, is a classic Manhattan.